Hello viewers, welcome again, and in today's disease in brief section of this channel we'll talk about another very important skin disorder. And a lot of people all over the world, they suffer from this condition, and sometimes they take medication for the rest of their life, but they still don't find any cure or improvement in their condition. So today we'll see what eczema is and what are some of its different types are, its common signs and symptoms, and most importantly the possible causative factors. And at the end we'll also learn about some of the promising alternative or complementary remedies which can improve this condition or reverse this condition to improve your health as a whole. So eczema is a very chronic or obstinate skin disorder, and those who suffer from this condition, they know very well that how painful this condition could be. In this skin disorder, normally you'll find a red or dark brown patchy skin eruptions, and that could sometimes lead to violent scratching, which can also cause bleeding or even some kind of fluid discharges from there as well. And those fluid discharges could also be very much contagious, and if you touch those fluids from one part of your skin to another part of your body, it can spread to other organs and other parts as well. So these are very contagious. Sometimes there is so much scratching, violent scratching, that it can lead or cause bleeding as well. So broadly speaking, we can categorize eczema in two different groups, in two different kind of sections. One eczema is called dry eczema. A lot of patients, mostly they suffer from dry eczema, in which their skin is extremely dry with the rough and flaky skin. Opposite to that, many patients, they also suffer from a condition called oozing or wet eczema, in which there are a lot of sticky discharges on their skin. So when patients come to a homeopath or naturopath, we have to segregate according to their presenting symptoms and then select the remedies which can target those peculiar signs and symptoms. Unlike creams or steroids, we don't suppress a medical disorder, especially a skin disorder. We try to give medication internally which can help reverse the condition. And that is the beauty of natural remedies sometimes, that you don't suppress just for palliation or just to find some temporary relief from medication. So if you try natural remedies, you will find a lot of promising results. Many patients, they suffer from eczema, and they can appear on various parts of the body. Sometimes it can be on your scalp. Some patients, they also experience eczema on around their neck, around their ears or behind their ears, even on your eyelids, even on your chest, on your legs or groins, arms, all over. Even in children and infants, they develop a condition called atopic dermatitis, which can also affect mostly their inner joints, or the crease of their joints, I would say, not a grease but crease of their joints. So they also suffer from this condition as well. So this condition, eczema, can affect people of all age group, and this could also be from severe to moderate to severe intensity as well. Now we'll see that what are some of the possible causative factors of skin condition eczema, because if we can identify, if we can diagnose it properly, and if we target to remove that obstruction, we can improve our conditions more successfully as well. So these are some of the possible causes of eczema. Number one, it could be genetic or inherited, that it may run in your family. Second, possible cause, especially in European countries or in cold environment or atmosphere, is the lack of vitamin D, because there is lack of sunlight, and many patients, especially in cold countries, they suffer from eczema because of lack of vitamin D in their bodies. Also, lack of iron or hemoglobin in your bodies can also cause this problem as well. Another very important key point to remember about eczema is the overactive reaction of your immune system. We all have inbuilt immune system which is here to protect us, but sometimes this system becomes overactive, so it doesn't need to react that aggressively, but it does, and this can also cause eczema in our body as well. Many patients, they also have various kind of food and non-food allergies as well, especially non-food allergy, which can also be grouped as a contact dermatitis, when you're in contact of certain chemicals, latex, rubber, even detergents, washing liquids, caustic soda for washing different places as well. So when you're in contact with that, that can also cause reaction in your bodies and lead to contact dermatitis. Even I've seen many patients who wear various kind of metals as a ring or necklaces. Even contact with these metals can cause certain level of skin eruptions like eczema on your body as well. Apart from that, prolonged use of corticosteroids can also cause eczema worse, because it can further thin your skin. It can also be associated or linked with your asthma, which is about your lungs disorder. Stress and emotional traumas can also cause skin conditions, including as I've said, eczema as well. Now coming to the final part of this video, and it's about discussing some of the natural remedies. Remember that herbal remedies or oils, they can give you some relief, but if you try homeopathic remedies, sometimes you can get complete cure and you can completely reverse this condition. So these are some of the top herbs which can be considered for eczema, like St. John's wort, golden seal, red clover, marigold, neem, dandelion. So for a temporary relief, you can consider these preparation. You can find online, or you can make them yourself after consulting your doctor. And if you want to consider external use application like aromatherapy essential oil, so we make different kind of formulations at our clinic. Like this one is for adults, and also we make separate ones because children or babies have got very delicate skin, so we have different formulation for children as well. So in our oils, normally we use coconut, sweet almond, bergamot, rosemary, chamomile, tea tree, patchouli, cedarwood, and lavender. So these are some of the applications which can be used externally, and normally they don't cause any unwanted side effects because they are natural, unless you are sensitive or allergic to any of their ingredients. And if you want long-term solution to this problem, you may consider homeopathic remedies. So we have got separate remedies for dry skin or dry eczema. Similarly, we've got a different one for wet or oozing eczema, which are always available in pills forms. And if you've got a lot of itching or scratching on the body, you may consider this for pruritus as well. So you can contact us for further advice, or you can simply visit our website like www.mindbodyheal.co.uk, or you can simply leave me a message on this channel, and I would love to get back to you and give you advice if you need. Otherwise, if you need consultation, you can also contact us. So hopefully this video would have helped, and I will speak to you again in another very important video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.